Before you buy Rebrandly, there are a few key things you should know, especially when comparing it to other social media management and analytics software. Is it the right choice for you, or are there better alternatives out there? Let's find out. First off, Rebrandly focuses on branded links and custom domains, setting it apart from other tools that offer more general social media management. While tools like Hootsuite or Buffer give you a more comprehensive suite of features, Rebrandly specializes in creating short, branded URLs for better tracking and branding across your content. It's great for campaigns where custom branding is a priority, but for overall management and analytics, you might want a more robust solution. Next, it offers advanced analytics features, but it's more limited compared to competitors like Bitly, which has a broader set of analytics tools. Rebrandly's analytics work well for tracking link clicks and traffic, but if you need in-depth audience behavior insights or advanced reporting, you may feel it's missing the mark. The third thing to note is Rebrandly's integrations. While it supports several platforms like WordPress and Google Analytics, it's not as extensive as some competitors, which integrate with CRM systems, email marketing tools, and even e-commerce platforms. If you're looking for something that plugs into a wider marketing ecosystem, platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite might be better options. Fourth, Rebrandly offers custom domains, which is great for branding purposes. You can create a custom domain for your links, making them more trustworthy and easier to remember. However, some other services provide this feature as well, like Bitly, but Rebrandly does it with a greater focus on simplicity and ease of use, which is a plus for businesses that prioritize brand identity. Fifth, pricing is another consideration. Rebrandly offers a free plan, but if you want premium features like more links or additional branding options, you'll need to move to their paid plans. While their pricing isn't the highest, services like Hootsuite or Sprout Social can offer more for a similar price when it comes to overall social media management and analytics. Next, their link management features are solid, but not as versatile as other link management tools. If you're looking for a platform that combines both link management and comprehensive social media publishing, Rebrandly might fall short. Other tools like Buffer allow you to schedule posts, track engagement, and manage links all in one place, which might be more convenient for some users. The seventh thing to consider is Rebrandly's user interface. It's clean, user-friendly, and easy to navigate. While it might be simpler than some other platforms, like Hootsuite, that can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. If you're after a straightforward link management system with minimal complexity, this is a plus. But if you want more functionality and deeper customization, you might feel limited. Eighth, Rebrandly's customer support is generally responsive, but they don't offer the level of in-depth resources that some competitors like Buffer or Sprout Social do. If you rely heavily on support or need advanced help frequently, you might find the resources available a bit lacking. Next, while Rebrandly provides good customization options for links, you won't get the same level of content scheduling and audience engagement features you'd find in a more comprehensive tool. If you need an all-in-one platform that combines content scheduling with link management, this could be a drawback. The 10th point is their security features. Rebrandly offers solid security for its branded links, but when compared to others like Bitly, some users report that the security protocols are less advanced. If link security is a major concern, it's worth digging deeper into their offerings. The 11th thing is scalability. Rebrandly is designed to work well for small to medium businesses, but larger enterprises might find the platform lacking in terms of volume management and advanced team collaboration features. If you need a scalable platform with full enterprise support, consider other tools that cater to large teams and offer more advanced workflows. Finally, let's talk about how Rebrandly compares when it comes to overall social media performance tracking. While it does a good job at link tracking and analytics, it doesn't offer the same level of performance reporting as comprehensive tools like Sprout Social, which analyze engagement, audience growth, and other key social media metrics all in one place. So, is Rebrandly worth it? It's a solid tool if you're focused on branded links and basic analytics, especially for small businesses looking for simplicity. But if you're after a more complete social media management and analytics platform, you might